Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel and compliment of the season. It's your girl Funmike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Funmike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and lifestyle. And I film from the city of Lagos in Nigeria. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if any of this resonates with you, kindly consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. So today I'll be sharing soft skills you should aim at learning in 2022. Yes, these are soft skills you should aim at learning. You know, I'm somebody who, after taking a step, I want people around me to be carried along. I don't want anybody to be left behind. And these 10 soft skills I'll be talking about, I think I can boast of like 5 to 7 years. I'm on the 7th one. I'm currently learning the 7th one. And I know that in the year 2022, there will be lot of competition. You cannot afford to be at a spot. Yes, you cannot keep doing the same thing over and over again and expect the same results. Yes, like we are not leaving any stone unturned in 2022. You cannot be at a spot and be complaining, I don't have money. How will you have money when you are not upping your game, when you are not adding to your skills? So please guys, I'll be sharing these 10 top skills you should aim at learning at least maybe 2-3 skills. I tell people that at this stage of my life, there is no way I cannot get, no part of the world I would go to today and not make money. Because it didn't just come in a day. It came as a matter of all the work I've put into myself. Yes, the learnings and everything I have put into myself. Yes, like there is no way I can get to at the moment. I will make money. I will be fine. I will make money there. So guys, we are not sleeping in 2022, and this is the time to start planning. Look out for 1 or 2 of the skills and learn and make sure you're very good at it. And I am very sure that you do just great in 2022. So if this interests you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Welcome back. So let's get right into the business of the day. So the first soft skill I'll be talking about is tech. I usually say this on this channel, like those tech guys and tech ladies, girls, you should build them. Those people have money, what we call money. Yes. So I recently started learning an aspect of tech, and I'm so enjoying it. I'm looking forward to the magic I'm going to create with it in 2022. Yes, so in tech, there are different options you can learn. Yes, they are different, and you don't need to be a guru. Yes, for me, I didn't know anything aside like the normal phone stuff and online business. I really didn't know much about tech. But I recently started learning Python, yes, and it's been an amazing experience. I'm looking forward to being a guru in the aspect. There are so many aspects of tech you can learn. We have Python, we have JavaScript, we have UI UX, we have product development, and so many options you can go into. Yes, so my younger sister will start learning product development come 2022. Yes, January, February, she will start learning it. So there are different aspects you can go into. Just go into one and make sure you're very good at it and just launch. I'm currently learning Python with Code Up Africa. I'll put their name and their website somewhere on the screen, and it's very affordable to learn. Yes, you don't need to start thinking that, oh, learning this thing will take much. No, it's actually affordable, and you that you want to up your skill, know that you need to invest in yourself. When it comes to money, when it comes to training fee, you need to invest in yourself. Cost fee, you need to invest in yourself. You can actually learn on YouTube. Yes, I've learned so many things on YouTube, but then at times you need somebody to put you through. You need a professional in that area, in that niche, to put you through. And also, even after you're done with the training, they can actually link you to your first job. Yes, please, Code Up Africa is a learning institute I would recommend. I'm not paid for it. They don't even know I'm doing this. Yes, I'm not even sure they know I'm a YouTuber. So you can learn with them. And I know a channel that usually gets resources I use in learning, Code Academy on YouTube. Yes, Code Academy on YouTube. I'll also put their name on the screen. So please look at all this tech aspect and look at the one. You can Google it, like make researches, make findings on the one you feel will best suit you and your personality, and launch into it, please. The next skill I'll be talking about is virtual assistant. Yes, virtual assistant. This is just like PA, but then it's online. You're not even seeing, it's not compulsory you see people you're working with directly. I know some people, like some of my friends who are virtual assistants of people that are not even Nigerians. Yes, So you're like a personal assistant, but online you're not seeing this person. So you can respond to their emails, schedule appointments, and the likes. That's how you work with them. Yes, virtual assistant, and you can earn so much. Yes, you can earn up to $20 to $50 per hour. Yes, virtual assistant, you can earn up to 20, and they pay you per hour, not like in a month. No, they pay you per hour. Your salary is being calculated per hour. Yes, for virtual assistant, you can earn great money in this, but then you need to learn. Yes, it's not something you just launch into without experience. You need to learn. You need to take courses or trainings to be a professional virtual assistant, and I'll recommend a course to you. I'll put the link in the description. Please check it out. Please, you can go through that course, go through it and register for it. After taking this course and you're being certified, you'll be linked, or you'll be helped to get the first person, the first client you'll be working with as a virtual assistant. It's not like they're training you and pushing you out there to sort yourself or to find your way. Yes, they'll be holding your hands till you get your first client. Yes, so I'll put the link to that course in the description box. Please learn. Please take the course and learn. You cannot afford to be at a spot. You cannot afford, you want to make money but you're not adding value to yourself. No, it doesn't work that way. And I know that even after you've learned, like you're a guru already, you've learned everything you need to know about virtual assistants, you can go on Upwork. Yes, upwork.com. I've talked about that website on this channel once. Go on Upwork and check for people who need virtual assistants. You see them there, you see the jobs there. But before then, you need to bake yourself. You need to get immersed. You need to know what virtual assistant entails and what is expected of you. So the second one is virtual assistant. So the next one I'll be talking about is graphic designing. Yes, graphic designing. So graphic designing, yes, graphic designing. We know that a lot of businesses are online these days, and they would always require somebody to undo their graphic parts. Yes, designing different templates like logos for businesses, different business templates for business, and even those big or top companies out there, they require the service of a graphic designer to design their graphics for them. So this is something you should look forward into, especially if you're not somebody who is into this tech thing. Graphic design is actually like a simple part, yes, that you can just go into, and it doesn't take so long and so much to learn. Yes, so I know somebody who is into this, who I can recommend. He also does not know I'm doing this, but then I've used him, I've worked with him at some point, and he's somebody I can always recommend any day, anytime. Techie Breed and iCrease Design, they are like those two people. They are always in charge of my designs. Yeah. And these guys, yes, I know the least I've ever paid for logo is 5,000 naira, and it's because of the kind of relationship I have with these people. If I'm to do those logo outside, like somebody I'm not familiar with, they will charge me higher, maybe from 10,000 naira upward. Yes, so make sure you learn and be good at it, and I know that you'll be hot cake in 2022. So graphic designing is the third part of this soft skill. So let's move to number 4. The fourth one I'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing. I know many people on this channel have been asking me, Funmike, please can you talk about affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing. Yes, so affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically you selling courses, digital product to people. Yes, you sell digital product to people who need them based on their needs, and for each sale you make, you have a particular commission. Yes, for each course, for each training, for each digital courses you sell, you have a commission. Yes, and not that these courses or these products are digital. Yes, like ebooks, trainings, online courses, those are things you sell. The good thing about this thing is you can do it from any part of the world, Yes, I'm currently into Expertnia, and it's been an amazing experience being an affiliate marketer on Expertnia. Yes, it's been an amazing experience. So for each sale I make on Expertnia, I get a particular commission. So if you would love to join affiliate marketing, especially Expertnia, I'll put the link also in the description box, and you can also send me a DM on Instagram. And note that when you register with my link, yes, you have access to my mentorship section. Yes, free of charge. You have access to my mentorship section where we have over 150 people we're currently mentoring. Yes, and we would hold your hands to you get your first sales. Yes, these things are actually doable. Yes, none of us brought it from heaven. Yes, none of us. We got here and developed ourselves. So please, it is something you can do and you'll be good at it. At least I know few people are under me already, and they do not have any skill, any online skill whatsoever, and they made sales and still making sales. So guys, check the link in my description box to join Partner to become an affiliate marketer. The fifth skill I'll be talking about is cryptocurrency. Yes, cryptocurrency is a niche I'm currently looking into. Yes, looking into learning. But then when I'm done with what I have with me currently, when I'm done with the trainings and courses I'm currently taking, I might consider looking into cryptocurrency. So it's something you can also learn and make cool cash. Yes, when you know the nitty and gritty of this particular niche, you are going to do just great at it. I'll also put a link to the training, to how you can train and learn about cryptocurrency. And there are different resources online, different YouTube channels you can learn. Yes, please go to the marketplace and learn one or two of the skills. Yes, I'll put a link on how to be a guru in cryptocurrency in the description box. You can also go on Google, go to YouTube channel. But for skills like this, I love when you have somebody taking you, when you have somebody holding your hands and not just diving into the ocean. Google or YouTube channel to check for yourself. I love having like, I don't know, when I'm learning things like this, I love being in an association of people, yes, I can be accountable to, and they will hold my hands and make sure that, yes, I'm really getting value and learning. Yes, that's something about me. So I'll put a link to that course down below. Please check it out. The next skill I'll be talking about, this is number 6 or thereabout, is video editing. Yes, video editing. God, this thing sells like video editing sells like something I don't know. Yes, please go and learn all of these things. Video editing, you edit video for people. There are different employers like freelancing that you can do online on Fiverr, on Upwork. Go on the site Upskill, Fiverr and the likes, and go and look for people, looking out for people who would edit their videos, video editors. Yes, and they are making their cool dollar, cool money. So please, if you have people around that can teach you video editing, please go and learn it. Yes, video editing. I know somebody who said last year was able to make $49,000 last year from video editing. Yes, on just Fiverr alone. So please, this is something you can learn. Go and look for people. I know that Techie Breed, yes, I think video editing is also part of the courses it teaches. Yeah. You can chat him up on Instagram, yes, Techie Breed, and ask him. Oh yes, you can go online, go and learn video editing. I think you can learn on YouTube channel. You can also go to different bodies or different academy that teaches people how to edit video, how to be a professional video editor. Yes, please go ahead and learn one or two of those skills. So I think this video is getting long. I don't want it to get long unnecessarily. I've shared 6. Yes, these 6, please make sure you learn at least 1 or 2 of the skills, and I'm very sure that you'll be glad you did in 2022. Yes, the world is gradually becoming a digital face, a digital world, and you cannot afford to be left behind or to be old school. Yes, you cannot afford to be that. So please make sure you learn 1 or 2 of the skills. Out of these 6 skills I've mentioned, I think I can do 3 of it perfectly. 3 to 4. Yes, 3 to 4. Tech, I'm currently learning tech. I mentioned affiliate marketing, I'm into that already. Video editing, to an extent I can't do for others, but for myself, I edit all my videos myself. In graphic design, little by little, I can also do something on graphic design. I think the only one I can say that I don't know anything about is cryptocurrency. Yes, so please learn 1 or 2 of these skills. Just invest in yourself. Those money you use in buying rishi, in buying data, and you just come online and waste it, buying shoes, buying bags, buying different gadgets, and you are not even using it optimally. Please save some of this money and invest in yourself. Learn 1 or 2 of these courses. Yes, buy courses, buy trainings, and invest in yourself. Please, thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video helpful, please click the like button. Comment, please comment in the comment section. Let me know if you watch this thing. You can comment soft skill in the comment section. It helps with the algorithm. Yes, and it will also help me to know that you guys watched up to this moment. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're yet to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash the subscribe button to join our family today. I have different videos on this channel on dropshipping, on businesses you can start with or without capital. Please check them out. I'll link some of those videos right up here. I'll also put some of this link down below. Please check them out. If you need a one-on-one section with me, a mentorship section, a clarity section with me, please, I offer such service. It's 5,000 naira per section. And note that after registering for this section, I'll always be there to cheer you up, to hold your hands, and make sure you do great at whatever it is we discussed. I'll put the link to book a section with me down below in the description box and also in the comment section. Please check it out and book a section with me, and let us do something great together. I also have a dropshipping group for people who are interested in joining dropshipping group. I'll also put a link to that group in the description box. Note that you need to pay a commitment fee of 1,500 naira. Yes, it is for serious people. We don't want any other people who just come and sit and be loitering about. If there is any video, anything you want me to talk about, anything you want me to share my perspective about, please and please drop them for me in the comment section. And you people that will not drop comments and will come to my DM on Instagram and be dropping comments that you should have dropped here, please don't let that attitude go with you into 2022. Please drop it. Drop comments for me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about those videos. Catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm wishing you a prosperous new year in advance. I appreciate your support all through 2021. Thank you so much. All those feet, we did it together. Thank you so much for being my support system on this channel, for always watching my videos, for always engaging. Thank you so much. I love you all.